Trident OTT for skid steer loaders in warehousing. Key features: reinforced high-flotation profile, modular design, robust hardened steel construction, adjustable track length, optional accessories. Reinforced high-flotation profile enhances performance across diverse terrains, including paved surfaces. Offers superior flotation, reducing ground pressure. Contributes to smoother and more efficient operation. Modular design allows easy replacement of individual segments and components, minimizes downtime and maintenance effort. Simplifies inventory management with interchangeable parts. Robust hardened steel construction, built with durable hardened steel for long service life, provides excellent protection against damage and wear. Maintains structural integrity under heavy loads. Adjustable track length can be modified to suit different wheelbase dimensions, ensures compatibility with a wide range of machines, offers flexibility for diverse operational needs. Optional accessories includes rubber pads for surface protection and noise reduction. Spacers can be added for further customization. Enhances overall adaptability to specific applications.